come to the create tab once again and click on the query design option. Click over here. We can see all the tables queries are coming over here. If we want to see only tables are coming over here. All queries will be come here. If you want to see table and queries both, so we can select this option. So because we have only one table, so select this one, click on the add, and now close this one. And now double click on the field which we want to select in this query. So we want address 1. Now we want to join address 1 and address 2 in one field. First save this query, press Ctrl S. Now Q customer, Q denotes to the query because we can differentiate between the names. This is table, query and form. Okay friend, now right click here, select build option, and now give the name of the field address, and now start typing your formula. So we have to combine the two fields. Select the database from this field, come to the table, select the table. Here we can see the field. Now double click over here and remove this expression, and now type ampersand, double quotation, space, double quotation mark, again type ampersand and select address 2, and now OK and press enter. So by that way we can join two fields, and now we can see the address 1 and 2 coming in one field only. Now select city, state, country, pin number and the contact, and save once again, and now click on the run. So now we can see address is coming in one field. We use queries for filtering the data, do the calculation, and the use of query is very huge, and later on we will learn the more advanced options in the query. So right now I'm going to close this query, save, yes, and now we are going to create our report.